Welcome back to the William fam. Yes guys, as you see, my butt is in bed again. But I need to get up and get out of this bed. I need to get up. I'm about to get up and go take a shower and get some clothes on and get ready and find something to do, either get out of the house or something. I'm just actually waiting on hubby, so I'm going to get up and we're gonna go get some stuff done, whether we just go for a drive. I need to get out of the house, find something to do, because we're just laying here and at home and not doing much. But I was editing, so I've been editing from morning. I've been editing and I'm down to editing my last video now, so I'm doing that to have it uploaded. So I'm gonna go shower. Hopefully maybe by the time I shower, the other video will be up and ready to go. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower, and hopefully hubby will come. Finally all the packages that I've ordered, the things on my order has finally came. Can you believe I've ordered stuff from, let me see when, from about like March, the end of March, April, like about April, and now we're in August, and all my packages that I've ordered from those times just come. Like, it is so crazy. Like, with the delivery and stuff like that, everything is just so, takes forever to come. So I've just been here, just kind of been busy doing some stuff, and you know, just here jotting down some notes and stuff like that, and looking into some things that I have to get done. So I just been doing a lot of behind the scenes stuff and trying to figure things out, and coming up with some video ideas. Yes guys, also you can send us in some video ideas of things you guys would like to see, and we will try our best to make sure we get those videos done and out for you guys, because at the end of the day, we are a family on here, and we want to make sure that when you guys send in some video requests, we can actually get those videos done and things like that. So definitely send us some video ideas of things that you would like to see, even topics that you would like us to maybe sit down as a couple and touch on differently from our Saturday night live with Straight Talk No Chaser. So definitely sending some video ideas so we can sit down and talk. I know we have like maybe 1 or 2 video like for challenges coming up that we were supposed to sit down and do a long time ago, and it has not been done because we've been very busy. We have a couple of other video, like different styles of videos coming up, but it will be more pertaining to Mario and doing some stuff. So definitely look out for those videos. They will be coming. I'm not sure if I'm going to record them or he's going to do them himself, but definitely look out for that. I'm glad I was able to get a second camera, so I got a second camera, so then basically when he's not with me, he can bring that with him and he can vlog as well when he is doing certain things. So definitely look out for those videos. And boy, let me tell you, the longest thing is editing. Editing is, I think that's the thing that sometimes that drags out, and this is sometimes the reason why like my vlogs them become late sometimes. It's just I dread editing. And if you're a YouTuber, trust me, you all know the feeling of dreading to edit, because you can make a 1 hour video and you want to like put it down to like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it would take you like maybe 2 to 3 hours just editing. And the thumbnail, that's the other thing that can take you forever, because you want to make sure it's a nice and catchy thumbnail as well. Those two things, if you like, you want to breed you. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get up and get myself together because I need to get out of this room. And I'm sure y'all sick and tired of seeing me starting my vlog off in my bed. So I definitely need to get up. Let me tell you, say COVID's taking a toll. It really is. But you know, I'm still gonna get up and try my best. I still make sure I just try and get what I need to get done. And you know, I do take the time to relax and try and figure stuff out. Worst thing, I look like this. I don't want to be coming home, see me, leave me like this, and coming home and see me like that. Yes lady, these are some of the things that will make your husband leave you. When you get up and you see you a certain way, and then you come home day in day out and you look a certain way. At least put yourself together and look a little bit decent. You know, every day, I say every day can be the same thing. You just look, you have your setters in your hair, you have your long granny night, yeah. So make sure you at least try to put yourself together, even if it's not for the person you're with, but for yourself, to just feel that much better and more energized. Because I always say, when I look good, I feel good. When my hair is done, like my nails is done, you know, I get up and I put myself together, I feel a lot. I feel 100% better. Sometimes I'm not going nowhere at all. I'm just in my house, and just me getting up, like opening up my blinds, making my bed, and doing my hair, dressing up, just whether I just do my eyebrows, put on a little bit of mascara and an outfit, I feel 100% better, more than when I just get up and I look and I'm like, and I just lay in bed. So let me get up and get myself together, because the day is almost done and I need to definitely. So let me get up and get myself together. As you see, I finally got up and got myself together and got myself out of the bed, which, well, still need to make it. I got some laundry that I gotta fold, and hubby is home. Hi babes.
Hi babes.
And guys, guess what he's on again?
Oh.
That same America Got Talent. So if you know, say a grin in a grin, him back to him big body girl and him thing. So that is it. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. Mr. Williams, what are we gonna eat for dinner? Time's winding down.
Who?
For me.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, what we gonna eat for dinner? Oh, you smell like you did a drink rum. No, seriously, babe. Were you drinking rum? Me know say something the night, you know. Are you sure? Are you and the guys them had a drink after work? What do you mean? Me wouldn't put it past them, because you know, so them buy up them liquor and whatever.
Who do put it past who?
No, like them. Obviously, I know you. Really? Alright, so I just finished doing a video. Oh, sorry for the lighting. I'm trying to figure out what we're going to have for dinner. Actually, we're trying to figure out what to do, because I thought about like just maybe going out, ordering some food and going out and having a picnic and go in the field. Look at Miss Faith over here on the couch. Or just ordering in and would end up just chilling and watching some movie. Oh, like, Faith, can you make me some tea, please? I'm gonna put the kettle on. Can you watch it? I should make some lasagna. I haven't had lasagna in a while. Yes. No, well, I'm not making it today. I gotta buy the stuff to make it. But I think I should make some lasagna. Ooh. So, yeah, so that's what we're doing. I put on the stuff. You want my cup? Or are you gonna just You could just use the other, the regular cup, and make me some tea. We're trying to figure out what to eat. Let me actually, huh? Well, maybe pizza, maybe some Popeyes. So let me get the thing. Let me bring this up.
Mary Brown.
Mary, or that. Let me see. Let me see what babe wants to do. So we'll go see if he's gonna go shower. I don't know. The lighting keeps fluctuating on the camera. Hold on, guys. Just live. Oh, thought somebody was in here. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna try and figure out what to eat for dinner, and then yeah, I'll come back. Then we'll be back. I don't know what we're eating yet, but gonna figure it out. I think the other vlog should be uploading. Hopefully it's finished, because I set it to go upload for while I was in the shower. Okay, and it says it's done. I have one more I still gotta edit, but you guys will see that one at a later date. So we're gonna try and figure out what to eat, and then I'll be back. Just got downstairs and dinner has came, so we ordered pizza. This has to go upstairs for Mr. Williams.
I'm being sarcastic.
Oh no, one's mine, one's the kids.
No, actually being
And
sarcastic.
we just got some.
You're not last one.
You're left. Ooh, let me test one of these bad boys. Pull.
Put that back.
Well, there's no juice.
Yes, there is. I'm gonna mix juice. But there's
All
no
good.
juice.
Make that for Mario.
This?
My buffet said we could have any.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Why is pizza shaped like this?
It's not pizza.
It looks like pizza.
It's cheesy, bro.
Ooh, cheesy bread. Can I some?
Look at these. Hello, you guys, get out of there.
I don't even in it.
Move.
Okay, you're the first one in it.
Shut up.
So,
It was you.
and then we got pizza here. So we're going to go
Right here.
have some dinner and watch a movie and spend some quality family time together. So that is what is up. Krista, bring this upstairs to that, please. So this is really good. So I'm gonna dish the food and then we're going to eat. So we just finished eating after I was telling hubby about 1,000,000 times to go and shower. He finally eat and I'm just gonna shower now. The worst thing is to shower on a full belly. Let me know. I never like showering like when we eat and stuff. It's like you get lazy and don't want to shower. I'd rather shower first, eat after, then you feel nice and fresh and you eat, and if you want to fall asleep you can do that. So well, I'm currently waiting on hubby to come back so we can watch a movie, because it's we call Netflix and chill night. Yes, so it's Netflix and chill night tonight. So that is what we are doing. And of course the kids them eat off their whole box. They got a whole box and a bit of pizza, and plus on top of that I ordered cheesy bread for them as well, which is almost like another pizza within itself. And you believe they eat off almost 2 boxes and still was coming upstairs to fight me and Mario for our box. But I say Memphis boy, him can eat. I don't know where he put the food. I'm seeing I foot him go from his feet to his toes to his fingertips, because he eats as much as you guys see him like so tall and lanky. He eats a lot. But they say it reminds me of my younger days. I used to eat too, and you could never tell like I was an eater, because I had a very fast, my metabolism is so fast you could hardly tell. But so that's what we're doing. We're not doing much. I'm actually here watching King and Shay, and yeah, because I just finished watching Chrissy and CMR. I was just watching, and yeah, congratulations on their new achievements. You know, that's such a good thing, you know. And that's the thing, you want to see growth, you know, and that's really good. So congrats to their good news as well. And yeah, and also, my bad, congrats to King and Shay too on their good news on Make It on TVJ. That is big, considering she kept pranking him about him being on there, and then Pepsi called him and stuff like that. And you see, let's say anything you put your mind to, believe in yourself and believe that you can achieve anything in this world, and anything you want in this life. Pray, speak it into existence, right? You have people that say like they manifest, you know, manifest, pray. For me, it's the same thing. Whether you manifested $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $25,000 in your account, or manifest the man or woman that come into your life, it's the same thing as you praying. You sending it out into the universe, because it tells you in the Bible, knock and the door, it says, seek and you shall find, knock and the door shall open, right? So definitely, I believe that in this life, anything is possible. You put your mind to something and you worked hard towards it, and pray. Prayer, nothing beats prayer, and put God first in everything you do. Anything is possible, because without him we are nothing. And all these things that people do achieve in our life, and all the good things that have come out in this world, is all because of him. A lot of times when bad things happen in people's life, they always say, oh, God did this, and but God never, he never wanted bad things to happen for his children. Always good, right? They always say it's the man downstairs that don't want to see us as human beings shine and prosper and do good, you know. So, but anyways, enough talking, because I'm sure y'all sick of me talking. But I am just here, I'm waiting on hubby, and then pretty much going to watch a movie. But I'll come back when he's back, just to pretty much, I guess, tune out. This one come finish shower now and turn off light. As you can see, it's still broad daylight outside, but him come in and decides if we turn off light. So we're just gonna go hang out for the rest of the night and watch some movie. So it's a Netflix and chill night. Are you saying what up to everybody?
Up to everybody.
You know, say disgusting. So wait, what up to everybody? Is it really? All right, guys. Oh no, babes. Oh my God. Right outside, and so we're just gonna hang out and watch a movie. The kids them will probably come crawling in later. They usually do. So that is it. That is all we are doing. Everybody got a full belly, so it's time for some movie. So I guess we will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.